How to fix Telegram not opening on PC. If Telegram won't open on your PC, begin by restarting your computer to clear temporary issues. Check if Telegram is running in the background. Open Task Manager and end any Telegram processes before trying again. Make sure you have the latest Telegram desktop version installed. If unsure, uninstall and download the official app from Telegram's website again. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can block Telegram. Temporarily disable them to test if they are the cause. Run Telegram as administrator to avoid permission conflicts. Does Telegram fail to open on your PC often? Share your experience or the fixes in the comments below. Following these tips usually gets Telegram launching properly again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.